What's going on? Welcome to another episode. This is your boy B, and today we're going to talk about the key nutrients that can help with beard growth and hair loss. But before we get into those key nutrients, let me say this. Products are great, okay? They're going to help with the retention, meaning that it's going to help keeping the retention of your hair, the luster of it. It's going to help with you managing it. It's going to help with you detangling it. It's going to help with just really keeping it looking very presentable and nice. However, beard growth starts from the inside out, not the outside in. All right? So you can go ahead and take vitamins all day, every day. But if you're not supporting that without the presence of food, then you're doing yourself a disservice. Supplements is only to supplement, all right? So make sure you guys are getting the vitamins in there. If they're not there as the catalyst, then the enzymes and the proteins in your body will not work. You're gonna be like, man, why this ain't working? They be like, yo, you're gonna have to go ahead and fill us up, you know what I'm saying? If not, you know what I mean, we just gonna sit here on strike. The first mineral we wanna talk about is zinc. Zinc is very, very important because it's going to help with the growth of protein, all right? And number two, biotin. Everybody knows about biotin. A lot of you guys may be taking biotin, and biotin is super important because it's going to help with the metabolism and also the growth in your protein. But not just that, but it's going to help with the strengthening of your beard and hair and the thickening of it as well. But be careful not to just take biotin, because I know a lot of you guys are just taking biotin. It's great. That's great. There's nothing wrong with that. But what can happen is that you can overcompensate and become deficient in all the other vitamins that is necessary, and that's also important for helping you to have beautiful and lustrous beard, and also can help with hair loss. Now, number 3, B6. B6 is like the spark plug. It sets everything off. You know, it's like everybody knew they had a friend in high school, or you may still have a friend in high school, you know, that comes to the party, comes to the picnic, and it sets everything off and gets everything going. Well, that's what B6 is. So you definitely want to make sure that you have B6 in your diet. And number 4, copper. Hey, listen, copper aids in split ends. And fellas, if you're like me, I've experienced split ends, and I definitely don't like it. It looks disgusting. But with copper, it definitely would help with aiding in split ends, especially when you get those splits in between your beard strand. You know what I'm talking about. You definitely want to make sure you get some copper. Number 5, trace minerals. Trace minerals are very, very important when it comes to enzymes and proteins in your body. It's going to help rebuild these elements in your body. And then also B5 or pantothenic acid. What you would find is that it's going to help strengthen those follicles. So when your hair is sitting in your follicle, it's super important to have a strong foundation. And with the B5 or pantothenic acid is going to help with strengthening your follicles. And number 7, the one, the only, collagen. Collagen is very, very important. Our hair, our beard is made of collagen, fellas. So you want to make sure that you get this in your diet. It's the building blocks to proteins and to enzymes. So it's going to help with rebuilding your hair. It's going to help with your skin. It's going to help with your nails. And if you're deficient in it, you're definitely going to know it. So you want to make sure that you get the collagen in your day-to-day diet. And you definitely can find that in my growth vitamins down at the bottom. So you won't miss a day. Number 8, silica. Fellas, silica is going to give you that strong beard. It's going to give you that strong hair. If you're walking around and you're like, man, B, listen, man, I moisturize my beard, I'm following your steps, but I'm still walking around here brittle. Well, listen, you need some silica in your life. That is going to be essential. All right? Well, listen, if you're having issues with brittleness, if you're having issues with patchiness, if you're having issues with underdeveloped hair, underdeveloped beard, if it's just not looking right because you're not getting the right minerals and vitamins in your day-to-day diet, leave the comments down below, okay? And also, hit the subscribe, punch the like. Well, don't punch the like because that means you're gonna punch your phone. But just press the like, all right? And this is your boy B. Listen, it's very, very important that we take care of our health. Men's health should be a priority, all right? Men's grooming is a necessity of life. Make sure you guys watch the other episodes. Again, your boy B, deuces.